Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is on the inner forearm block. We use the inner forearm block to protect our face and our head. Now the way this works, we're going to be working from an L stance on this. Bring your feet together. Turn your right foot out. Slide your left foot forward. We're making an L shape with our feet on the floor, and I'm carrying my weight shifted a little bit over my back leg. Now from the side, that's what it's going to look like. Both legs are bent. I'm turned sideways on this way. Now for that inner forearm block, I'm going to start with my hands closed up into fists. My blocking arm crosses underneath my retraction hand. My retraction arm here is going to pull down and into my hip. It's just moving out of the way as the blocking arm moves past my face, finishes out toward the side of my head, and finishes turned palm in. An easy way to tell the inner forearm block from its close cousin, the outer forearm block, is that with the inner forearm block, my palm is turned in toward me. With the outer forearm block, it will be turned out away. So again, we're just going to come up, across, and through, just like that. Up, across, and through. Up, across, and through. Just take it nice and slowly at first. Get a feeling for how this works. Then after the first few, to start giving this a little more power, I'm going to twist my hips and my shoulders very, very slightly. It's coming here to here. It's not a big twist. A big twist is going to start to put me off balance, and it slows me down. What I want is just a small, quick twist so I can stay focused on what it is I'm blocking. I can have a good, powerful, swift block. So here, chamber, twist back, twist through. We'll still take it slowly here. Twist back, twist through, twist back, twist through. Now a little more quickly. Twist back, twist through. Twist back, twist through, twist back, twist through. Let's have a look at it from the side. Again, starting here, across and through this way. Turn palm in toward me. Got a nice deep bend at my elbow. I want to be careful that I'm not extending the arm out like this. I want it in fairly close. Across and through, and now let's add that twist. Twist back, twist through, twist back, twist through, twist back, twist through. Now, one more thing about this block. At the end, I want to be very careful that, especially when I'm going for a lot of speed and power, I'm not doing something like this. I'm not throwing my arm away at the end of the block. I want it to come to here and then to stop. If I'm using that twist of my hips and shoulders, I can control that. I can come through with a nice quick block. If all I'm using is my arm, that's when this kind of thing is going to happen. So use that twist and drive it through. All right, once we've tried it in the air a bit, we're going to try it on a blocker. Mr. Thompson, if I could have your help, please.
Sir.
All right, we're going to start off with it in nice and close to your face. Bring it just a touch closer. We're here. We're going to use that twist, just touch and push it out of the way. All I'm doing is finding my target, using that twist to push through. I want to be sure that I'm not having to stick my arm way out, or I'm not having to lean way over to reach, putting myself off balance. Something this far away in empty hand terms, that's a really long way away. I don't necessarily need to defend it. Something getting in this kind of close, yes, this is something I need to do something about. Here and here. Once this is working well, you're getting it cleared away, we'll just take it a little faster and harder and knock it away. Here, here. Again, without throwing my arm away. If I'm using that twist, then I can do this without losing control of it. Then we're going to pull the blocker back and thrust in. And you're just going to redirect it as it comes towards your face. As it comes in close enough, your block just takes it out and away. Now, Mr. Thompson, let's switch sides. So this last one. Now that's a redirect. We're steering it away. If what I need to do is stop it, say it's swinging up and around toward the side of my head, here, that's going to take a little more power. I'm just meeting it and stopping it, which also makes it important that I don't do something like this. If I throw my arm away, I'm going to get smacked. I'm using that twist. I can meet this with a good, powerful block. Thank you, Mr. Thompson. So, that is our inner forearm block. Thank you very much for joining me.